Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let me show you how to make an amazing PowerPoint template. First of all, you're gonna go to format background and by opening a blank template and you're gonna give it a gradient of white and white and add a little bit shade of gray in it too at the bottom. Then the next thing you're gonna do is copy your text and copy your the color palette you're gonna use for the template. Now what I'm gonna do is insert a circle in between the text and let's adjust it, duplicate it, and place that circle on top of the previous circle, and there you go. Give select of them and give them this gradient. If you want to use another gradient, you can also use that one gradient of yours, but I'm gonna use this green and aqua green color for the gradient. You're gonna give outline of 6pt. You're gonna select the you're gonna remove the color palette because it is of no use now because we have chosen our colors, and we're gonna make this upper circle bigger that it covers the entire template, something like this, without leaving any corners to be seen. And there you go. Now we're gonna put it into the center and the middle of the template to adjust it and to make it look better. Now what we're gonna do is decrease the height and the length of the circle to 16 mm. And we're gonna rotate it into particular and we're gonna replace the shape with this shape that is 1/4 of the circle, and we're gonna move it right here, and we're gonna move the circle smaller one onto the front, and let's just rotate it fully. Rotate it like this that the text is visible, and you're gonna group these two shapes, insert your title onto the shape and give it some other name. And there you go. We're gonna go to format shape and we're gonna rotate it onto the other text by right here. So let's duplicate the template, and for now we're gonna rotate the circle, and let me just place my color palette and give the circle some other gradient other than the first one. So I'm gonna use this gradient, this purple and lilac gradient. Let's give the title another name, and we're gonna rotate it onto that the other text is visible clearly. And for the title, we're gonna move it onto the left side on top of the shape. And now moving towards our last step, we're gonna select both the templates. Yeah, something like this. Go to morph transition. You're gonna go to transitions and give them morph transition. And there you go. So this is the final result. If you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. And you can download this template for free from the link in description. And meet you soon with another amazing video like this.